Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's session, we will learn how we can install Java. Okay, along with we need to set up our Selenium with TestNG. Okay, so for the delay, we have to go our Google Chrome. Okay, so here we can just type download Java. Okay, so we'll go for our website oracle.com. Okay, here we can see the latest JDK version 23. Okay, so today we'll cover the window machine. Okay, go for the window tab and here we can find that installer. Okay, so you have to click on this link. Okay, so after clicking on this guide, it's starting downloaded and you can got this particular file here. Okay, it's 205 MB here. Okay, so after that you have to just go for your location, folder location, and double click on that particular file. Okay, so it's asking for that access. Okay, click on yes, then the pop-up will come for the installation. Okay, so I have to go for next. So now guys, you can see the path. Okay, where it's going to be installed. Okay, see program files Java and JDK 23. Okay, so you have to click on next. So the process of downloading will be started, guys. Okay, so it will take some seconds to download. Okay, and install. Yeah, it's installed now. So after that, you can see you have to go for that particular C drive. Okay, then program files that the path is mentioned previously in Java. Okay, then this particular file C you can see. So now you have to go for inside the bin folder, guys. So now you go for the setup. Okay, so you have to go inside the bin folder. You have to copy this path. Okay, and go for the search for the environment variable on your system. Okay, where you going to be setup. Okay, so here is their environment variable. Okay, so go for your advanced. Okay, and environment variable. Okay, so this pop-up will come, guys. So I have to go for the path here. Okay, inside the path you have to click on new. Okay, then you have to paste. Okay, you have to paste the particular bin here. Okay, so I have already pasted here, guys. Okay, so after that you have to just click OK. Okay, okay, then okay. Okay, now the setup will complete. So to verify it's properly installed or not, you have to just open your command prompt. Okay, so to open the command prompt, the shortcut key is like window R. Okay, then type cmd here inside the box and enter. Okay, so the command will be like java hyphen version. Okay, so the latest version will come. See, 23, it's already there. Okay, now so now we are assuring that it's properly installed. Okay, so now we go for the java install, guys. Now so now we go for that installation or setup of your Eclipse, because after Eclipse only you need to set up your Selenium and TestNG here. Okay, so you have to just type download Eclipse for Java. See, okay, the official site will become. Click on it. Okay, then go for download this one. Okay, the next page will come for the download. Okay, so after clicking on this, guys, it just download will be started. Okay, so I have already started on it because this one is a installer, guys. Okay, so after opening the installer, guys, this window will come. Okay, so on this pop-up you have to you can see list of this Eclipse, guys. Okay, so you have to choose this one, Eclipse ID for enterprise Java and web developers. Okay, so just click on it and it will starting the installation here. Okay, so after installation completed, guys, in this particular folder path only you can see the folder of Eclipse. Okay, so go to the inside the folder and this particular icon will come. Okay, for the Eclipse. Okay, so double click on it, then one pop-up will come, guys. Okay, so I just showing the pop-up. Suppose after clicking on it, this particular pop-up will come, guys. Okay, so here we can just choose our own path, or we can just make it add as it is, it's showing. Okay, it's a Eclipse workspace, so we can now launch it, guys. So after launching it, guys, this particular Eclipse will open. Okay, this particular UI will come. Okay, so now in the latest Eclipse version, guys, the Maven will by default coming. Okay, the earlier version we have to additional setup of Maven, but in the now Maven is already there. So what is Maven? I already told in the previous video, guys. Okay, if you not got go to the video, just go there. Okay, you have to proper idea on it. Okay, so in the file you have to go for project. Okay, then Maven. Okay, so Maven project will come here. Okay, so you have to click on next. Okay, so you have to click on create here and next. Okay, so we're asking for the group id, guys, and artifact id. So artifact id is the, guys, the your project name. Okay, so just mention both and click on next and finish. Okay, so after that this kind of project will come with the m icon. Okay, so when you just finishing, guys, it will take some time. The in the below the processor will be come. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds, then it will completed. Okay, so after that you have to suppose this particular project will come. Okay, so here you can find this pop.xml file. Okay, so here only we can set up all this like Selenium and TestNG, guys, because in the earlier version we have to add our jar files one by one, where in Java build path. Okay, here. Okay, but now in the pom.xml file is giving the features like the dependencies. Okay, these are the dependencies, guys. Okay, so when you will come to this pom.xml file newly, guys, okay, this particular tag will be not there. Okay, you can find this fresh, this one. Okay, so here you have to just add the parent dependencies, non-dependency parent dependencies, IES. Okay, so how we can add? By this tag name opening closing, then type dependencies here. See, dependencies is showing here. Okay, so just click on it. So this is a parent one. Okay, so in between that only you have to add your dependencies. Okay, suppose I have to add the Selenium dependency here. Okay, so what is that, how we can got it? Okay, you have to just go to the official site of Maven repository. Okay, so you have to just type Selenium dependencies, see, for Maven. Okay, then you have to click on it. Okay, so you have to go for the latest one, guys. Okay, sometimes the beta version is showing here, so don't go for the beta version, guys. It will show the error sometimes, so go for the fresh one. Okay, latest version. Okay, so after clicking on it, it will just select it and you have to just copy this one. Okay, so after copy you have to just paste here in between the dependency. See, pasting here, the dependency is showing now because this is a child, this is the parent one. Okay, so before pasting on it, guys, you have to just create this parent one. Okay, this particular. Okay, guys, so after just pasting on it, you have to just click on the save button, guys. Okay, so after clicking on save button, see, this particular processing will become, so you have to just wait till it's complete. Okay, after that only you have to just got go for the next one. Okay, the same way you have to go for the TestNG one. Okay, so Selenium is completed now, so TestNG. See, to type the TestNG here and click on enter. Okay, so TestNG will come. So here also we will go for the latest one. Okay, latest one. See, already 388 users are already downloaded here. Okay, it's already using this particular version. So you have to just click on it. Okay, and copy the dependency. Okay, the same way you have to copying and pasting here. Okay, guys, so now after saving it, till now your TestNG setup is not complete, guys. Okay, so you have to add one more plugin here. Which plugin? TestNG plugin. Until you complete this process, your TestNG setup is not completed, guys. Okay, so here in the help, okay, help, you have to go for the install new softwares. Okay, so you have to add that particular plugin here. Okay, the link. Okay, so where we got the TestNG link, guys? One official website is there for TestNG. Okay, it's called testng.org. Okay, you have to go for it. And in the documentation part, guys, okay, TestNG documentation only, you will got that particular link. Okay, testng.org. Here you have to search for the link, guys. Okay, so you have to just scroll down. Okay, download. Go to the download here and plugin. See the Eclipse plugin document. Okay, to click on it. Okay. So you have to just click this particular link, guys. This one. Okay. See, the instruction is already here. There are two way, guys, via Eclipse marketplace, or you have to just go for your new one also. Okay. So you have to just click copy this one. Okay, and just paste here. Okay, and you have to just add some name here like testng. Okay, and add. Okay, now we can see this particular checkbox will come. Okay, so you have to just click on it, guys. Okay, and see, now Maven is already there, guys. Okay, so you have to just uncheck this particular one and just select TestNG only. Okay, because the Maven setup is already coming in our latest Eclipse version, guys. Okay, so no need to install this one again. Okay, oh, you need to just click on TestNG only. Okay, now when you go for the next, guys, it will install. Okay, so in my case, guys, I already installed, so I can see here. Okay, already installed. See, TestNG is already there, and I have already installed it. Okay, fine. So by this way, guys, you can set up your all Java. Okay, then your Selenium and TestNG, guys. Okay, so just do from your side, guys. If you are facing any issue, okay, just comment me. Okay, I will definitely reach out to you and definitely help you. Okay, so for the further video, guys, you can just watch my channel. Okay, because I have already cover the important videos. Okay, the from the scratch level, guys. Okay, so you have to visit my channel here. Okay, I can see you that for my channel. Okay, so you can see that particular videos from the scratch level of Java. Okay, from the Java to your Selenium TestNG. Okay, I already covered. So after setup, just do this particular video, guys. Okay, and just subscribe the channel and like. Okay, because you have to need that latest videos that I have uploaded. Okay, so subscribe the channel, guys. So let's try from your end. If you are facing any issue, just comment me. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching.